Okay, so now the step. Okay, let's do it.
This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
Canada Road. Awesome. That's a nice property, isn't it?
The Independent Estate Agency. If you are interested in a property for sale or have a property to sell, press 1. If you are interested in a property to let or have a property to rent, press 2. If you are an existing landlord, tenant, or currently have a tenancy application in process, please press 3.
Oh, I'm a bit lost. What did they say? Come on. Wasn't paying attention. Dear.
Good afternoon, with DJ. Could you speaking? How may I help?
Oh, hi. I was just wondering if I could speak to somebody about the 4-bedroom property on Canada Road.
Yeah, I can help you.
Awesome. And what was your name, sorry?
Claudia.
Claudia. Hi, Claudia. So my name's Trisha, and I'm just analysing the deal. So I'm an investor, and I know exactly what I'm looking to do with the deal, and I know the area really well. I'm just looking at the numbers, and my offer is likely to be in the region of about 270,000. So I'm just wondering, on that basis, is it still worth me coming to view it?
Let me have a look for you. Bear with me a moment. What is it on the market for now? I know it's just come on, hasn't it?
290.
I'm just going to look at the notes for you. Just bear with me.
Yeah.
Okay, so at the moment there's no sort of movement on the price.
So is it still worth me coming to see it at 270?
At the moment they're wanting 290.
So, I mean, can
and
you...
we've got lots of viewings booked in on the property.
Okay.
I think let me have a look how many we've got. There's no chain on it, but we've already got about 5 viewings booked in, and it only came on the market.
I'm just going to go to the next stage. So we are hoping that we are going to achieve the 290,
and he is looking for that.
Okay, I mean, I'm very interested. I definitely want the property. How it works for me, I just want to make sure that it works on the numbers first, between me, because obviously I want the vendor to be happy, and then obviously I'm happy to take it on my portfolio. So the way that I want it to work is, as long as we are mutually happy with what they want and what I need to buy it for, then obviously we can come to an agreement on the price. Then the first viewing that I do will just be with my builder, and we'll just be getting the ball rolling to get things done very quickly. So I'm just wondering, would you be able to ring the vendor and just say to them, I've got a cash buyer investor with development finance, and they are looking to move very quickly. They know what they're doing with the deal, really, really want to buy it. They just want to know what is the least you would be willing to accept to take it off the market today.
Okay, for us to take it off the market today, we would need you to view it.
Absolutely. So all I'm asking is that what is the least they would be willing to accept to take it off the market, and then upon them saying, hey, if they offer 280 and they can move quickly, then upon viewing it, we would be happy to accept. Then as long as we can come to that agreement, I just don't want to, you know what it's like, I don't want to view a million properties and then we never come to an agreement on the price, and it just wastes my time and theirs and my builder, because he gets really mardy. So I want to make sure that we're on the same page before I even make the trip. Because I don't live in the area, although I invest there. So if you could just ring them and ask them that question, I'd be so grateful. Just what's the least they'd be willing to accept to take it off the market, and then we can come to an agreement. Then I'll book the viewing in as soon as possible, and then we can get things going.
Okay, what's your name? Sorry.
My name's Trisha.
Trisha.
Yeah.
Okay, Trisha, no problem. I've got your number here. I'll give the vendor a call, and I'll get back to you.
Thank you so much. Do you think that would be? Can you call me as soon as possible, like before sort of the next hour?
I will call the vendor, and it's a sensitive subject because unfortunately he has had a bereavement in the family. That's why he's selling. But I'll call him and in hope that he answers, and I'll get back to you.
Yeah, that's amazing. I'm so grateful. I know you'll do whatever it takes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Speak
Bye.
to you soon. Bye. Give her a round of applause. So, what happened? Obviously, I went to 2 stages. So the first stage is based on the formula, which is find the deal, then work the numbers, analyse the deal, which we did. Yeah. Then I made an offer. So what I'm saying to the agent is, I've ran the numbers, so I know the area, I know what I want to do to the property. My offer is likely to be in the region of whatever it is, okay? Is it still worth me coming to view it? Okay, so then they can say, absolutely not, they've already refused offers in that region, blah, blah, blah. Like she's saying, loads of viewings, want 290, only just come on the market. I know at 290 it works like a treat, so I'm quite happy. Then the second stage is, can you call the vendor? And because I'm now in a full-on offer situation now, and I haven't viewed it yet. But who's made a commitment? Does it cost me anything? No. Exactly. If I'm going to view a property with my builder, I want to know that I'm having it. I don't want to waste my time viewing 10,000 properties a week and not getting an offer accepted. Does that make sense? Yeah?
Also, as another thing, so you just seen that that's a phone call that Trisha made. So we got loads of these different phone calls that have been made, and they've all been recorded. They're in an online platform that we have. Because another scenario, if that was me, I would have just done it slightly different. And this is a good thing, that everybody is different, but you can all use the same framework. So we use exactly the same framework, but for me, I would have asked her, I get you got viewings booked in, because that's just one of their tactics they use. I get you got viewings booked in, I get it stuff for 290 and they want 290. Would you just be able to ask them what their opinion is if someone who's ready to go, who wants to pay 270, just go and ask them their opinion. So like loosen off a little bit, and then once they start to have you just need a agreement that please call them and ask them a question. Yeah, so you just did it slightly different. I just want to give you another variation because everybody's different and you might want to say it a little bit differently.
And it's different as long as you get your outcome. Just use whatever you need to get there. But asking in these ways is like an impossible to fail plan.